Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Maybelline Rocket Volume Mascara is probably one of the most talked about mascaras on the market, promising sky-high volume and an intense, lash-multiplying effect that mimics the look of false lashes without the fuss, all thanks to its unique brush designed to capture and coat every single lash from root to tip, delivering an explosive boost of drama and definition that will make your eyes pop like never before, ensuring you turn heads with every flutter. Number 5. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Mascara. Introducing the Cabaret Premier Mascara. Get ready for lashes that are longer, fuller, and perfectly defined. Experience incredible volume and length like never before. This formula is designed to lift and separate each lash. Enjoy smudge-proof and flake-free wear throughout your day. It stays put without clumping for a clean finish. Achieve a stunning look that's also washable for easy removal. It's beauty made simple and effective. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is cruelty-free and proudly made in Europe. Get that deep, intense black color for a dramatic effect. It provides the perfect finishing touch to any look. What we like. This mascara delivers impressive volume and length without flaking or smudging. If you're looking for a reliable, all-day wear mascara that keeps your lashes looking perfect, this is a great choice. It's ideal for busy individuals who need their makeup to last. What people say. This mascara not only gave perfect coverage from root easily to tip, it is a perfect level of thickness. There is no clumping. The formula goes on smoothly and adds noticeable length and definition without clumping or weighing my lashes down. It lifts and separates my lashes and they look good all day. Number 4. Honest Beauty 2-in-1 Extreme Length Mascara. Discover the ultimate mascara designed for both length and volume. This innovative formula is your secret to stunning lashes. Get ready for a dual-action experience. It primes your lashes for incredible lift and then coats them for dramatic definition. Achieve beautifully extended and fuller-looking lashes with every application. It enhances your natural beauty effortlessly. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is never tested on animals and is formulated to be gentle, even for sensitive eyes. Experience a deep, rich black shade that makes your eyes pop. It provides a bold and captivating look. Elevate your lash game with this must-have mascara. It's the perfect addition to your makeup routine for gorgeous results. What we like. Experience the dual power of a primer and mascara in one for extreme length. It's formulated to be safe for sensitive eyes, making it a gentle yet effective option. If you have sensitive eyes or are looking for a product that primes and lengthens simultaneously, this is the one for you. What people say. As soon as I put it on, my lashes grew over twice in length. It didn't clump and separated my lashes like whoa. It dried in about 20 seconds and then I put on the coal black mascara. Instant fabulous lashes. So far I have experienced zero flaking after wearing for long periods of time. It hasn't smudged or melted when I'm dancing up a storm or getting my workout on, and the length of my lashes is practically miraculous. This particular 2-in-1 primer plus mascara combo works so well. It gives my lashes a great boost and really helps them look fuller and longer over time with consistent use. The primer adds volume and helps the mascara go on smoothly without clumps. It lasts well throughout the day, too. Lasts all day and gives your lashes good length without being clumpy. Number 3. Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Introducing the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Get ready to elevate your lash game like never before. This volumizing and lengthening mascara delivers incredible impact. It defines, curls, and multiplies each lash for a dramatic effect. Our waterproof formula ensures your look stays flawless all day. Enjoy smudge-proof wear without any compromise. The buildable formula allows you to customize your intensity. Achieve a deep, very black finish with every coat. Experience the ultimate lash transformation. It's time to unleash the full potential of your lashes with this amazing mascara. What we like. Achieve sky-high length and a multiplying effect with this waterproof formula. Its buildable nature allows for customized intensity. If you desire dramatic, elongated lashes that won't budge through water or humidity, this mascara is your perfect match. What people say. Great brush, clump-free application. Lengthens and makes lashes gorgeous. truly does not clump. The brush has a little give to it so you can get close to the inner and outer edges. Gives lot of length to the lashes at the same time looking natural. It does a great job of lengthening my lashes and giving them that lifted, sky-high look without feeling heavy. It separates nicely and doesn't clump easily, which I really appreciate. It also lasts well throughout the day without smudging or flaking on me. My lashes stay defined and lifted for hours. Number 2. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Discover the secret to sensational lashes. Get ready for a full fan effect that opens up your eyes like never before. Experience a revolutionary way to define your lashes. This mascara creates a stunning, fanned-out look with every coat. Achieve both incredible length and dramatic volume. It's the perfect combination for lashes that truly stand out. Go for the deepest, most captivating black. This shade adds intense color for a bold and beautiful finish. Enjoy the dramatic results without the hassle. It's easily washable, making your beauty routine simpler. Get more of what you love. This convenient 2-count ensures you're always ready for stunning lashes. What we like. Get a full fan effect with this lengthening and volumizing mascara. It provides a beautiful, fanned-out look for your lashes. If you love the look of full, separated lashes and want a product that enhances both length and volume, consider this option. What people say. It separates and defines each lash while adding both length and volume. The brush reaches even the tiny corner lashes, giving a full and fanned-out effect. It doesn't clump or flake throughout the day, and the formula washes off easily without rubbing my eyes. It defines, lengthens, and makes my lashes look full without clumping. It's easy to apply, wears well throughout the day, and doesn't flake. This product gives my lashes length, volume, and definition with a gorgeous full fan effect. The unique fanning brush has 10 layers of bristles that grab every lash, from the smallest inner corner hairs to the outer lashes, without clumping. It separates and coats each lash beautifully for a fanned-out, fluttery finish. My lashes looked instantly longer and fuller after just one coat. You can easily build up the product without it getting heavy or flaky, which makes it versatile for both everyday and glam looks. Despite being a washable formula, this mascara stays put all day. No smudging, flaking, or raccoon eyes, even through a full workday and mild humidity. And yes, it removes easily with micellar water or gentle makeup remover, no excessive rubbing required. Number 1. Maybelline Volum Express Rocket Mascara. Get ready for an explosive lash experience. This mascara delivers instant volume and dramatic length, making your eyes the star of the show. Experience the power of our unique brush. It coats every lash from root to tip, ensuring a clump-free, fanned-out look. Don't let anything stop you. Its waterproof formula stays put all day, resisting smudging and flaking, so your look remains flawless. Achieve a bold, captivating gaze. The deep black shade enhances your natural beauty, adding intensity and drama to your eyes. Achieve maximum impact in minimal time. It provides incredible volume and length with just a few quick swipes. This is the ultimate tool for stunning lashes. It's designed for those who want noticeable volume and a look that lasts. What we like. This mascara provides explosive volume for a dramatic, rocket effect. Its waterproof formula ensures long-lasting wear. If you're seeking intense volume and a bold, black lash look that stays put all day, this is the product you need. What people say. The applicator helps keeps it from clumping on my eyelashes. Waterproof is a bonus. Holds my curls so well and doesn't clump badly. Separates my lashes well too. This is my new favorite mascara. I am always looking for something that will actually be as waterproof as it claims, and can stand up to my daily routine without making me look like a raccoon or like I've been crying. I've had success with high-end makeup brands, but I definitely can't afford to be spending that much every 3 months. I am so impressed with the staying power of this mascara. I never have dark circles under my eyes, it only requires one coat, and looks very natural. I can apply multiple coats easily for a more dramatic nighttime look, and it looks a lot like I have false lashes on. I haven't noticed any flaking or clumping, but I have noticed that the mascara gives lots of volume and length. Just be mindful that you may need to adjust your eye makeup remover to compensate for the fact that it is waterproof. I've gone in the pool with this on and come out with it looking almost exactly like it did when I first applied it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.